Just using up some leftover paint that I had from a previous vase pour, which you will see on my, you've either seen it or you will see it. So this is what I do with this particular one. I'm pouring it on my little canvas and have a few definite beautiful embellishments that I hope you will like. Black and gold did look super duper, so I might have to give that a go again another time. Oh, there's the green. Actually, that, there it is. You've got to be mindful of how you lay out your pouring cup. So remembering what goes in first is what's going to come out last. So there was green, moss green, gold and black in that cup. And they are beautiful together. There was a little tiny bit of coral, and they were the Montmartre pouring paints. Like I said, I'd poured over a vase previously. There you go. Now, just to give my canvas a gentle tilt. So this is really something anyone can do. You can do it with your friend, you can do it with your children, because even these particular pre-made pouring paints, whichever one you can get hold of, will you haven't really got to think about even making up your acrylic pour paints. So, and these particular ones dry really quite shiny, you know, with a really nice effect on them. All that green, black and gold is gorgeous. I've got to get myself another little vase to, or a jar to pour on. It's very nice. I'll try and make it go down to that corner. I'm going to use a bit of this here. Just finger pop it there. Wow, that's gorgeous. That's it. Wow, look at that. That is very, very nice. Now I'm just going to try and recenter the paint so it's all not sitting down at one end, which it's very slow because it's very thick, but that is absolutely gorgeous. Really lovely. Nice little painting. So when it's dry, you give a varnish coat or a resin. Great for a gift for Chrissy. What do you think? Perfect. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I've just found a little glass drinking thingy or whatever. I'm gonna pour over it that idea that I mentioned and see if I can blow a bloom, whether it comes out. I'll just use this little glass as my tester, so give it a go. I've just got the same colours as I just used. I'm going to try do the same idea, but then I'm going to try and blow the top with a little bloom with some cell activator, meaning just the paint and Australian Floetrol. Let's see how we go with this one. All that black and gold is absolutely beautiful on its own, but this green, that's enough. Wow. Oh wow, look at that. Oh my goodness, those colours. So what I am going to do is just put a little bit of silver down and use a bit of my cell activator. Oop. See if I can get to actually blow a bloom down. I'm going to do it quickly, haven't I? Because it's going to go. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that. Oh, it has to. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Oh, I need to get my, I haven't got my other. that's worked really well. Whether that actual holds the structure, I do not know, but it's give a whole different effect in there. Now it makes me want to try. Oh, wonder if should I? I'm gonna ruin it. I just want to put one in the corner there. And a little bit of the cell activator on it. Let's just blow it out over the corner. Wow, that's bringing that green up through there. Fancy that, hey? So maybe if I did it with the paints, different, that's so lovely. Different paints to actually blow a bloom on the top of the glass and let it run down. I'm just going to go get my other camera and show you these up close. Look at this effect. I think if I'd have used maybe different paint, or I don't know, that effect is gorgeous in those colours. Even though it's kind of lost its lacy as it's gone down, it's still left a really lovely effect in there. And so that is a nice thing to definitely do on top of your pouring over a vase or whatever. Look, it's got some absolutely gorgeous effects in it. So there you go, blow it out. I'll wait for it to dry and see how it all turns out. And that little blow in my other little canvas that I finished, that's turned out really well too. So I might actually add a few more of those going through on a diagonal or something. I'm definitely going to add a few more of those gold blown flowers in there. But that I must explore further. That green, gold and black, beautiful, stunning in fact. So I need a nice vase to give us a gift, a bigger one in those colours. All right, my lovelies, I will say bye for now. What I'm going to do is add the photos at the end of the finished artwork so I can get this finished and out to you guys. And I will see you again tomorrow, so please take care of yourselves. Bye for now. I'm going to do what I said I was going to do, and I'm going to just put a little bit of gold. Go for gold, go for gold. There. And a little bit of gold. There. Love, love, love this gold. And just a bit of my cell activator, which is the black with Australian Floetrol. And it'll bring those colours up beautifully. I think I better turn this around slowly so I'm not leaning over my lovely glass. That is cutie patootie. Where's my, I thought I had a skewer here somewhere. Oh, I do, it's under there, right underneath it. Radio. I would like to go away, fly. I do not want you in my work. Thank you very much. Cute. Cutie patootie. Very nice. Very happy with that. That's actually made it look like really 3D, as though that's just standing out. So hopefully, fingers crossed, they dry beautifully, but I've got to further explore that now. If I can try and blow a big bloom out on top and it all go down your glass, that would be gorgeous. That green, black and gold now, super duper, and I'm not a green lover. I'm going to let these all dry and see what kind of end product we get, but hopefully, fingers crisscrossed, everything will be beautiful. So those were funny little bloomy things. They're not like a traditional bloom, are they? But I suppose if I'd probably shoved a balloon in there, I could have got a better structure from those particular ones.